In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning some areas in my house that I clean on a daily basis. I hope this video provides you with lots of cleaning motivation so you can get done those areas in your house that you need to clean on a daily basis. I'm starting here in my kitchen, loading the dishwasher and cleaning the dishes. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate your time and you watching. If you are new, I would love to have you subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I hope you feel like you're just hanging out with a friend while getting these cleaning tasks done. While I clean today, I figured I'd talk to you about some reasons that we enjoy cleaning. I am someone that greatly enjoys cleaning. I know it's not always the most fun thing to do in the world, but it is something that we do need to do on a daily basis. There are always tasks that need to be done over and over, multiple times a day sometimes, but definitely every single day for the most part of the things that I'm going to be doing today. So I was looking into and thinking about why cleaning could provide some enjoyment or give you some satisfaction in your day, motivation, inspiration, that kind of thing. And the first thing that came to mind is it provides a sense of accomplishment. While you're cleaning, like I'm doing right here, cleaning the dishes, I have a task in front of me and I know there's going to be an end. So I kind of have a goal in mind of where I'm going to go. And this is something that I can accomplish pretty easily. And in doing so, this boosts my confidence that I can be successful. So I'm cleaning the dishes. I know that eventually they will be all clean. I know throughout the day I'm gonna have to do this a few more times. That's okay. I know that for this moment in time, once I finish this, I will feel accomplished because I got this task checked off my list. What tasks do you have on your to-do list that is there on a daily basis that you do over and over again? Leave a comment down below. Introduce yourself if you are new. I would love to meet you. I have been greatly enjoying talking with you all down in the comments. Moving into my bedroom, I am just going to fold some of this laundry that's here on our drying rack and also hang up what needs to be put back in the closet. Then I'll go into the laundry room and fold some of the clothes in there. I was kind of on a time crunch while I was filming this, so I didn't get all the folding in the laundry room done, but that's okay. I did get a bunch of it, majority of it done. Was able to put some things away in the time frame that I had. I was trying to do a lot of this during my lunch break. So during my lunch break, I have 30 minutes. I work from home full time and I like to take my lunch break to get some of my cleaning tasks done throughout the day or during my lunch break that I have during each day. Makes my life a little bit easier and it is much easier to do this while my son is away at his program while I have my work day. The second reason that I enjoy cleaning is it calms my mind. Cleaning can be very therapeutic. Cleaning our external environment makes us feel like we are cleaning out our mental space as well. As you're cleaning, you're doing something that is mindless, you do over and over every single day for most of these tasks, so you don't really have to think too hard about them. And also I find myself a lot of times processing things that I've been thinking about, whether that's something related to work or my home life or something for my son or a problem I need to solve. I'll kind of process through, and as women, we process things over and over and over before we can settle with them or come to a conclusion, a solution to a problem. So a lot of times I find myself doing that while I'm doing these tasks that I do on the daily. Do you find yourself doing that as well? Please leave a comment down below. Do you enjoy cleaning? Do you find it therapeutic? Have you gotten to the point in your cleaning routines where you can find some therapy from it? I'd love to know if I'm not the only one who does this. I'm sure I'm not. But if you are not and you're looking for something, I kind of recommend that you get into these cleaning routines so that you can work through some mental things while doing these daily tasks that are mindless. Moving into the bathroom, I'm going to clean the mirrors and the countertops and the sinks. I try to do this as often as possible since we use them every single day and they do get very dirty. The third area that I wanted to talk about kind of relates to the second in reasons why we enjoy cleaning, and it reduces stress. It's a healthy way for us to handle anxiety. We're doing something mindless that can be relaxing, repetitive, something that our mind doesn't have to think too hard about, which increases our endorphins, and we're getting a little bit of exercise while doing it since we're moving all around. This increases our feel-good hormone, which in turn can improve our mood. Speaking of improving our mood, I found this little plant I figured I'd replace here, take out the other things that I've had here forever, just sitting here collecting dust and don't really have too much of a purpose. This plant really doesn't have much of a purpose either, but it did greatly improve my mood and brought me a little bit of joy. So as you're thinking about that, go around your house, especially now that it is the beginning of the new year, and see where you have clutter or things taking up your space that aren't really providing you with much joy, and donate them or get rid of them in whichever way you like to, and replace them with something that will bring you a little bit of happiness, as this little plant is doing for me here in the bathroom. Now moving on to the living room, I'm going to tidy this up and vacuum it. My dog Millie, who I'm pretty sure you'll see in one of these clips, got a hold of one of her bones she had gotten for Christmas that she really hasn't gotten into yet. Oh, here she is. And it made a huge mess as she was chewing it. It just like crumbled to bits. So I needed to definitely give this rug a good vacuum. Like this video to say hi to Millie. The fourth thing I was thinking about that why our house cleaning can provide us with some enjoyment is that it gives us a sense of control. We can't control everything around us, but our homes and the cleanliness and organization of it and how we keep all of our things is definitely within our control. An organized home makes us feel more relaxed. Now moving into the office/playroom, I don't film in here very often. It is rather hard to film in here because it is a very small room. There's really no good place to set up the camera and have a good angle or anything like that. But my son was playing in here and took out every single book and toy that was in this section. So I definitely needed to put all of this away, and this room was in desperate need of a good vacuuming. So I figured I would include it today. Now I'm in the dining room. This ends up being a catch-all for us. We dump a lot of things here as soon as we get home. So I just need to tidy this up, put a lot of things away. I have to do this almost every single day. And then wipe down the table in here. I do still have the table back near the window still up. I've been talking about maybe taking it down, but our son's birthday party is coming up, so we're gonna leave it up. I just need to clear it off. I will get some of that done today, but as always, not everything needs to be done all in one day. Just do what you can when you can. So the fifth and final area that I wanted to discuss in why cleaning brings us some enjoyment is it reflects who you are. Organization boosts your self-worth. If your space is unorganized and dirty, it's difficult not to internalize that. So just like this back table, it's a mess, it's kind of chaotic. It's been up since before Thanksgiving because we do use it for the holidays. We put our desserts and things on that like that. But then while it's up, since this is the area that ends up being our catch-all drop zone, we don't have a mudroom or anything like that. This extra table also becomes that, so then I feel like there's just so much more clutter happening. So right now I am taking the opportunity to put some things away. This bench we do have storage in, which is really nice. So we do keep our dog food, we keep extra diapers in here. This is a beautiful charcuterie board that my sister got me for Christmas. I'm going to store in here because we will most likely use it for my son's birthday party. It is pretty heavy, so I'm just going to put it in here for now for safekeeping. So then when we're setting up for the birthday party next weekend, I'll be able to use the table and then take this out and use it for charcuterie option. So getting back to cleaning being an enjoyment, we take better care of our environment when we feel good about ourselves. Chaotic environments can make us feel worse about ourselves. So I really encourage you to get motivation from that. Take care of your environments, do some cleaning, set up some cleaning routines or goals, do some deep cleaning or organization of some areas that you haven't touched in a long time. Get rid of things that you are no longer needing or are no longer bringing you any joy. And I know you will feel so much better in your environment and with yourself. It'll boost your mood like we talked about earlier in this video as well. Leave a comment down below. Are these things that you do on a daily or weekly, or is this something you do for the new year to try to set up yourself to have a fantastic year? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you lots of motivation, and please consider subscribing.